Hey, Bluegrass, can we go thrift shopping?
Little STP. Hello YouTube world, my name is Anthony Long, the Bluegrass Picker, and I buy stuff at garage sales and thrift stores, and I sell them on eBay and in my antique mall and indoor flea market booth when I had them. Hopefully that'll happen again. I listed last year I got a garage sale tote. It was full of just Nintendo Wii stuff. I spent $40 on it, and I've made so much money on it, even before this all started happening. But here's a couple things that sold. A Nintendo Wii with the, it's got the Motion Plus on the bottom too, and it's got the case and a nunchuck. And I had two of them, and the same person bought both of them. One was $22.95, and the other was $20.95. And he paid for both, and paid both for the shipping, which I was gonna not make. I think it was put it at $5.50 for shipping, which I probably was gonna make well, it probably would have been about $5.50. And he didn't ask to combine it, but I kind of don't want to unless he asks, because it might be $6 or $7. So I may not make that. I may not make anything on it anyway. But here's another thing I sold. This is something I haven't seen. And you take, I could put the remote in with it, but it's just a writing tablet, and it's got the pin in the back, and I guess there's some game you do your writing, and it's got a little button, and then you put it in here. But this sold for $24.95, and I think I put $9.50 for shipping. So a couple of good sales. It just happened overnight when I was asleep. I get a lot of sales after midnight, between midnight and 7 in the morning. I guess that's when people have the ideas to buy stuff without. I guess that's the time that it's probably when they're drinking or whatever, and that's when they spend money. I don't know, but these are a couple of good sales that you couldn't get half this probably month and a half ago. So. If you got Wii stuff, put it up. And it's gonna rain tomorrow, so I'll be not mowing all day tomorrow. So I'll be listing everything I got. I've got a few more things, some more game. I have some more games at my flea market booth. I'm gonna go pick up, and he said I can come pick up whatever I want. And I've probably got 7 games up there, so I really need to go get them. But grind on, friends. Hello, YouTube world. I just want to go over what sold last night. First thing was, no surprise, what's selling hot right now for everybody is this Wii, and I have a nunchuck with it, and it's got the motion sensor adapter on there. I don't want to take the sleeve off. I'll put that in a, let's show you. I'll just throw it in one of these. I use these for baseball cards too, because I like how they're water resistant. Like the manila, the paper stuff is actually more expensive, and I know it's got bubble wrap on the inside, but I just feel more protected when it's sealed. And then if it's a nice card over like $30, I'll seal up the sides even too, some like more with just some tape. But that'll be easy to put into a first class. Another thing that sold, and I had $5.25 shipping on top. $19.95 what it sold for, if I didn't say that. Here's the other thing, and I've sold a couple of these recently, and this is a couple of the Beatles plates. The first one I sold was Abbey Road just the other day, and this one's the Hey Jude, and it's got the COA with it, and I think they're one of 10,000 made or something. Bradford's Exchange. What's cool about this is it's already a perfect box to be in. It's got the settings and everything in there, so that makes it easier to ship, being a shipping people. So what I do is I just wrap it in a poly bag and put a little extra bubble wrap around the outside of it because it's not going to add much to shipping or whatever. And I think I had $8.95 on the shipping on this, so it's probably about $7.95 to $8.50 to ship it out. But I've got a bunch more of these to list, and it's one of those garage sales that's just going to keep on giving for a long time. I kept the Abbey Road one because it's just too cool. Stay safe and grind on, friends.
Bye. Bye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.